Alright, so here starting to model the blocking of the mouth. The first thing, let's grab this volume more for the back, so we can have more uh, appropriated curvature for the mouth. Okay, and as it will be separated from the face, it may be a little bit weird here, but yeah, let's try. The mouth always will start like this, pronounced volume for the forward, and then we can start by drawing this. And where exactly? Here we can divide that the distance from the base of nose to the base of chin. We can divide it in three thirds, like 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so in the first third, we're gonna have the drawing for the mouth, right? Just like in this shape. Okay, and here we're gonna have those separations for the muscles, and here we're gonna have the chin, right? So the mouth will be more like here. So we can start, and also if you see here the line for the teeth, our middle line for the mouth, if you check this in the mirror, you can see that it will be kind of here, like this, and here will be the top part, and then the bottom, right? Just to have it kind of marked there, and then we can see it better. So here with the, let me recalculate, with the damn standard brush and with a great size, I'm pushing the middle like this, and be careful to not reach the teeth. Here you can do this cut in the middle like in a V shape, and also this part we can make some depression. So here we can start to refine a little bit the form. Grab this middle part here, just as we did, and then actually this we just did this depression just for illustrating its position, but for the mouth we're gonna have like this shape, the M shape in the middle, and then it goes up, and here in the middle we have this depression. And once we smooth it, we're gonna need to add the node volume in the corner, just as we said, just like this. And for the lower part, we cannot forget, we can smooth a little bit this volume for the muscles, right? The depressor labialis. And here if I smooth everything, then I can, with them standard brush, make a depression here in the corner, and then let me smooth this, and then we can draw just a little bit like this, and smooth more into this middle part here, right? Yeah, so apparently what we're gonna have is like this shape in the corner, kind of like a line here, as where I'm marking like this, a line here, and here you're gonna have this great volume, which will be the node portion, right? Remember that we said that here can you even use the inflate brush just to make it closer. Yeah. Remember to place in the right position, like this. Yeah, and that's it for the mouth. You just have to pay attention to the middle line, which will make an M shape. Also the upper line, which will also make a M letter shape. And why this? Just because we have this great volume here and also this great volume in the middle, right? And just as we said, we have this volume in the middle, then we have the depression into the upper lid. And where we have the volume in the upper lid, we're gonna have a depression in the middle in the lower lid, right? Yeah. So there it is for the mouth, the nose, the eyes and the ears. Here we have like a full set of features for our character. Here the mouth, I can make it just a little bit larger than the nose, more like this. And now we can start to think about the movable masses that we have in the head. Like here in this region, we're gonna have a great mass, which will be called the nasolabial fold, right? We can see this region here. Also this region here will be exactly this place, which will be filled with fat, some fat cells. So this is what it's missing here for our head, which is this region. And then obviously the chin and all the skin in the whole face, right? But for the features in the anatomy, is this what we have here? We could even like add some muscle volumes, just as we said here for the masseter, the buccinator, and some muscles that we have there. But yeah, just for explaining a little bit this volume that we have here, let me show you this volume here. let me show you where would be the masseter muscle. It would be just like here, and it will marks the general volume of the face. So it's important to notice this. So let me extract some shape here. Go to extract, and then too much. Yeah, let's accept this. I don't actually need this, so I can delete. I used my del hidden shortcut, which I set Alt D, but because I you know I hide this part with my select lasso. I hide this by pressing the Alt key with Control Shift, and then it's hide. It's here. Okay, so I can del what is hidden just clicking here into Geometry Palette, Modify Topology, and then del hidden. Right. So now I have just this, and then I can click with in the polygroup, and then I can manage to work here, turn on local symmetry, so it will works properly there. Yeah. This would be like the format for the masseter muscle. I could even paint it like this, so we can better understand how would it look, the muscle, and then we can better understand the structure itself. Right, so here we have the masseter, and yeah, maybe we could add a little bit some other muscles. Like here would be the temporalis muscle that we said. Like if we extract and accept, oh no, it got like, let me delete this. They're hidden, and then I could grab like this polygroup and bring it closer to this part where it is. Here I inverted my mask, and now I'm working with that piece, and invert it again. Yeah, I'm not sure if I will be able to show you by working this way. Let me turn on the double. Yeah, maybe if I dynamesh it, let me try Dynamesh. And then with move brush I can turn on my back face mask, and then I can give it more thickness just to make sure that we have all together, and then Dynamesh it again. So let me get that color. Yeah, and so here we have turn off the back face masking now. Okay, so this would be the temporalis muscle, which will also make some nice volume here in the lateral part of the head. So let me add a little bit that volume. This is the muscle responsible for the mastication, as I said, and yeah. And because of this, when you know you eat those swimming gum, this region starts to move when you, I don't know, yeah, when you chew the gum. I think is this how do I say that? When you chew the gum, this region starts to move itself, right? Maybe not that much of volume, more like this would be good. And this would be some principal great muscles. We're gonna have more muscles here going to this part of zygomatic, to the corner of the mouth, which we call node. So we're gonna have another one here, which is this one will be the zygomatic major, this other will be the zygomatic minor, and here we have some other two muscles, I guess, which will be the labi levator. Let me check. Yeah, the levator labi superioris and the levator labi superior alecnasi. Yeah, just for knowing that, because as we said, when we contract those muscles, all this region of the mouth will get up here, right? And the same for that muscle we have here, which is the depressor labialis, and also that other side here. And then for the chin we also have the mentalis muscle, which will be here, and another one in the corner here, right? But for the general volume, the most important are these ones. The others are more for expression. So now let's go and do the same head by trying to do this this anatomy study that we did. Let's try to make the head in the proper way for from the half sphere. Here I'm gonna append another sphere, and this way we can start it again from the half. Let me first organize a little bit here those subtools. Cranium. So I'm gonna group everything. Yeah, I'm gonna group everything, and then we continue in the next lecture from this sphere by doing the head again. Okay.